Today we're going to finish off the Rally Innovations look on my 2018 Mustang GT by installing their custom side splitters. These custom side splitters from Rally Innovations are going to fit your 2015 through 2018 Mustang with the exception of the GT350 and 350R. They're made of 11 gauge aluminum with a black powder coat and add a really nice aggressive look to your Mustang and are a very simple bolt-on installation. For this installation, a lift or a jack and jack stands, 3/16 Allen key, 1/2 inch wrench, clip removal tool, tape measure, marker, drill, 3/8 drill bit, and safety glasses. The Rally Innovations side skirts are going to attach to our factory pieces here. So the first thing you're going to do is remove all these little push pin plastic clips in here, give us more room to work. What we're going to do here, get the side splitter up into place. Now if you look in the back, there's a cutout to go around this bracket. What you want to do is figure out, basically line this edge up with the back edge of the factory rocker. Pull it about 1 inch away. Now you can go as narrow or wide as you want, but about 1 inch will get you right where you kind of want to be. We're straight back here, 1 inch there. What we do now is mark the first hole. Slide this carefully out of the way so we can drill it out. Okay, with one hole drilled, you grab the side splitter, put the washer, then the lock washer, then the nut. And get it as tight as you can by hand for now. Okay, with one in now we can pivot it. Again, we're going to line it up. And then 1 inch out and mark it. Okay, now we'll drill the next 2 out. All right, now once you have all the holes drilled, we're gonna go back through, tighten all the hardware. Get everything tightened down, grab the original push pins, put them back into place. Then give them a little bump with the back of a screwdriver, make sure they're seated all the way. All right, once you get them all in, we'll repeat the process on the other side and your installation's finished. To be perfectly honest, I wasn't sure I was gonna like the side splitters. I like the front, I like the rear, but I wasn't sure I was gonna dig the sides. But now that I installed them, I'm very glad that I did so. I mean, it really ties everything together and gives it almost like a complete package sort of look. Now, as far as the installation goes for the sides, I'm gonna say about 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Be back on the road in no time. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click on the CJ button so you subscribe for future videos and click the corner up here for more videos for your Mustang.